Hey, this is Dr. B again, and in this video, we're going to give you some assistance with mole worksheet number 2. This is for any student who needs to come up with an experimental procedure based on a balanced chemical equation. This is a very powerful thing. This means that if you are interested in performing a chemical reaction, you write down what it would be balanced, turn the balanced chemical equation into grams, and you're done. Let's take a look at number 1. Suppose you wanted to mix manganese with oxygen to make manganese 4 oxide. You would have to mix these many grams. This is rounded to the nearest whole number. Where did we get that? This is just the average atomic masses combined. Just grab any periodic table, find the number for each element, like oxygen is number 8, so find the average atomic mass, you'll find that it's 15.999. In this worksheet, it looks like we're rounding to the nearest whole number just for the sake of efficiency. So manganese must have an average atomic mass of about 55. Combine that with two O's, that's 32. And then you could just add up these numbers. They'll always equal the final thing if it's just one substance, and that's 87 grams. 2, you'll have to do on your own. 3, we looked up magnesium, 24. Selenium, 79, make magnesium selenide. So these are just 1 to 1 ratios. 4 appears to be done. So what's left for you to do? Not much. Number 5, lithium, chlorine. It's Cl2, so double it. And this time, once you've add up lithium and chlorine, you better double that. What's easier? Just add up your 14 and 72. These total numbers here will always be equal to the total numbers there. You can do it both ways and check it. You should see that lithium chloride has a molar mass of 43 grams per mole. Number 6, do on your own. Number 7 appears to be done for you. And how did they say? If you burn a mole of methane, how much CO2 will you make? Well, 1 mole of methane produces 1 mole of CO2, so it's 44 grams. Now, you have to be careful there. If there was a 2 here, 1 mole of this would make 88 grams. So we're moving on to slightly more advanced stuff. 8 is assigned for you. Number 9, try one based only on words. How could you make 1 mole of methane from the elements? What do you start with? You always start with what you're given, and they're saying you're making 1 mole of methane, so I'd write arrow CH4. From the elements means carbon and hydrogen. I'd check through my H. Broncliffe list to see if I should double anything, and I should double hydrogen, but the K in H. Broncliffe is chlorine, not carbon, so carbon exists alone. Is it balanced? It is. Now we better answer the question. To make 1 mole of this, I better mix 12 grams, that's the atomic mass of carbon, with 4 grams of hydrogen. Each molecule is H2, 2 grams, so double it and you get 4. Number 10 is assigned for you. This is mole worksheet 2.